Hi, we're stepping out. Today's vlog is gonna be fun because we're finally going out and doing something. That's how I imagine. That's like an annoying voice to me. Why am I doing it? You're asking. So this is where the belt went finally. It's quite cute. Am I a little late? I don't think so. Taking her along for a. I'm not drinking coffee, so I don't know what I'm. Should I drink coffee? Should I be naughty and drink some coffee? I don't know. My idea of being naughty is drinking coffee. I ate dinner at 8 p.m. and that was quite naughty. What the oof. Whenever I come with sound effects. There was a bump. So you know, anyone who has long hair, I'll tell you the trick later. Cute. Nothing is better than when you wash your hair, the feeling you get. It's divine. You know, the thing is that now this would have been a really cute outfit if I was going for a party, going out, like the kids call it clubbing. No, but no one calls it clubbing. But I would wear this to go out in the day because I'm feeling feisty. I think I don't like stepping out at night that much. It depends though. Chalo, pahunch gayi main niche. I'm so thrilled to be going out after so long. It's truly an event in my books. Am I decent? Yes. Hey guys, you want to be in the vlog? I'm with Varsha. We're going to get. I don't know what we're going to get. We're just figuring it out.
Yeah, we're just gonna roam around over here and just have some chill fun.
She's back in Pune after a while.
Yeah.
So I'm so excited to show the new mall that's open. She's a Bombay girl.
So yeah, we are gonna have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I'll show her what's happening because we currently have no clue. This is us. This is our horse. That's his body.
That's your horse.
That's my ghoda.
You wanna ride on it?
Riding, so kuch nahi ho raha. I don't know how to ride a horse. I went for one horse riding lesson.
I was talking of some other riding.
That's why I don't think it's happening. Only God has just taken everything in his hands. So we are at this cafe. Varsha ma'am is multitasking. So I thought let me check in again. What are you guys up to? Not in real time. What day is it today? Today is Friday. Fridays don't feel like Fridays anymore. That's all I'm gonna say. We're at Cafe Peter in Wanavri. Is it Wanavri or NIBM? I don't know. And this cute mall is opened here. I had a mint tea because that's the vibe these days. I don't know, guys. I'm trying to be not healthy. I don't know what I'm trying to be. We're just chilling, talking, catching up. Why am I walking around? Because of good lighting. Good lighting, good lighting, good lighting. That's the only thing important these days. I'm gonna have a seat now. And I've almost lost my voice because I haven't socialized in so long. It's crazy. And that's about it. That's that. That sounds better, no? What do you think I should do? I can't believe it that I don't have plans anymore in life. That's insane, no? never realized was there. I don't even understand how. Look at this.
So short. I feel so bad.
I don't know how did this happen. We've hung out. How are we gonna cross? Arsha, I'm scared. Look at the road, guys. Okay, so we are going and doing a challenge now. That's another video. We've decided to style each other. Our styles are a little different. Let me just show you all for reference. This is our outfit right now. In this moment, this is what we are wearing. So we're going to style each other. Yeah. And let's do this. This is what I've picked for her. Let's see if she likes it or not. This is one outfit and she's worn something like that, so I'm trying to look for something else. Still looking. Outfits I've picked for her.
Oh, you want
She's going to be a Kardashian. No. You picked one outfit or two?
I picked
I've picked two. Oh, I've picked one more.
No, it's okay.
No, let me pick one.
top ही है इसमें. So I'm gonna pick sure that top will look nice.
Okay, so two outfits we'll do.
Yeah.
You pick two out of that. Okay, we're going to the changing room. How is it looking? Okay, so that's a cheating outfit because that's something she wears. I know as a fact she's like girly. Reaction. She's stuck. Why is my lens always dirty? Wait, I'm pushing. It's looking so good. I think I get 10 on 10. Come, look in the mirror. Oh my god! It's perfect. It fits like a glove. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. West Side is killing it. The second outfit, I have to hold the door because this door doesn't lock. That's insane, guys. So this is the outfit I came in. Cute, I like it. I actually like it.
So this is what I have picked up for Neelam. It's very like a summer cottage girl like kind of a dress. If she style hair properly and if she's sitting somewhere near beach, I think it will look 10 on 10. But she didn't like it that much.
I don't dislike it. I like it. I feel like the fabric is really good. The quality is insane. I like how it feels on my skin. I feel like the shoes also match, like she said.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a perfect match. The only thing is, my hair was straight.
Because she always wear tight clothes, so I thought of giving her something flowy.
Yeah, and it's tight also still. It's got a good shape. A-line, no? This is A-line.
Yeah.
I give this 4.
Such a
No, it's nice. I'm telling you, when I become a mother of 3, I'll wear it. Then it's a 10. Yeah, I want 5 now, so in the mid. It's a nice pregnancy outfit or pregnant. This is the second outfit. Cute. I mean, I'm wearing a bodysuit inside, so I've tried to tuck it in as much as I could. I give her 7.
Nah, this is nice.
7, it's nice. The top I really like. I think with jeans or something, I would have worn this with jeans maybe.
Yeah.
Or to work out, it's actually a nice top.
Sure, but this is not for workout.
With the leggings?
I wouldn't say.
Yeah, it'll be cute, no?
Cutouts are not for workout, it won't work because it will go up.
No, this is very tight.
Right?
Yeah, over here it's tight. It's not a cutout. It's like it's got some extra like a crop. It's cute. 7
Yeah.
for the top. For the pants, with boots she styled well, but they all match my shoes. So good job. But I
Now
won.
we have to wear the cotton one.
No, I can't. I'm wearing a bodysuit.
Okay.
We did 2 outfits, but I won clearly. My outfits were like banging.
No, the second.
It's because I'm an amazing stylist.
No. It's a tie. Basically.
Varsha.
It's a tie.
No, how is it a tie? Off camera, she also didn't like the cottage
But
one that
I
much.
like this one.
Sachi bolo, what are the marks?
4 उसके लिए 4 था.
And इसके लिए?
7 है.
और मेरा 10 था
10 था and second वाले के लिए 4
7 था. 7, bro, it was very
I
hot.
give the 7.
I give. Bro, you were looking banging in that outfit.
चल ठीक है.
The pink
You have
top.
a great style.
Maybe without the shirt, you would have given it 7.
हाँ.
You didn't like the shirt on top, but I loved the shirt on top.
Okay, done.
Who won actually? Why am I deciding? I think I won. She was looking hot, so I win. That's the main thing. I can't now, and like a professional person, I forgot what she's like. Tell your friends where you're going. I'm like, which friends? I really thought I'm supposed to tell someone. Yeah, my only friend. We're at Nykaa now. initiative. You can volunteer at this school.
You can even teach the children if you are good in any particular art or something, so you can teach the children. Okay. What do you do by the way?
This is their number.
I'm dentist.
You are dentist. I'm a physiotherapist by profession.
Just run for a soft serve because that's life. My favorite thing on this planet, soft serve cone. Ice cream. It was a productive day. I'm headed home now. I think I'm losing my voice. That ice cream did not help. I couldn't even finish it. Go home, always go home, as I always say. I love home. It's 8:30 and I'm done. That's an indication. But I want to wake up and be productive tomorrow also. That's the goal. The goal is to be whole again. WHOLE, whole. You like my jokes? You'll better like my jokes. Bye. That's it for today's vlog. Bus.